Bow window installation in Lafayette offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal while improving energy efficiency. With custom window designs tailored to fit any architectural style, Lafayette residents can enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient bow windows that reduce heating and cooling costs, making Bow Windows Lafayette a top choice for many. Window frame replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your home. In Lafayette, vinyl window frames are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These frames provide excellent insulation, contributing to the overall energy efficiency of your windows and complementing upgrades like Bow Windows Lafayette. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Lafayette homeowners can benefit from double-pane windows, which offer superior insulation and noise reduction. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while minimizing environmental impact, especially when paired with Bow Windows Lafayette. Custom window designs in Lafayette allow homeowners to personalize their living spaces with unique and stylish window solutions. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional look, Lafayette Custom Window Services can create the perfect design to complement your home's architecture, including enhancements like Bow Windows Lafayette. Window glass installation is a vital service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. In Lafayette, professional window glass installation services ensure that any cracks or chips are promptly addressed, preventing further damage and maintaining the energy efficiency of your windows, an important factor when considering Bow Windows Lafayette. Double-pane windows in Lafayette are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a sealed airspace in between, providing superior thermal performance and comfort, and they pair well with Bow Windows Lafayette installations. Window seal replacement is necessary when seals become damaged or worn, leading to drafts and energy loss. Lafayette window seal replacement services ensure that your windows remain airtight, improving energy efficiency and comfort in your home, especially around features like Bow Windows Lafayette. Window sash replacement is an important service for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Lafayette window sash replacement services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and look their best, including those surrounding Bow Windows Lafayette installations. Vinyl window frames in Lafayette are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners seeking low-maintenance window solutions. These frames offer excellent insulation and are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them a reliable match for Bow Windows Lafayette. Window weatherproofing is essential for protecting your home from the elements and improving energy efficiency. Lafayette window weatherproofing services include sealing gaps and cracks to prevent drafts and moisture intrusion, which is especially important for large installations like Bow Windows Lafayette. Window trim installation is a necessary service for maintaining the appearance and functionality of your windows. Lafayette window trim installation services ensure that your window trim is in good condition, preventing drafts and enhancing curb appeal, ideal for maintaining the look of Bow Windows Lafayette. For those seeking top-notch bow window installation in Lafayette, our services offer unparalleled quality and expertise. Our team specializes in custom window designs, ensuring that each installation meets the unique aesthetic and functional needs of your home. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we provide solutions that not only enhance the beauty of your residence but also contribute to significant energy savings, especially with Bow Windows Lafayette. Window frame replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Lafayette custom window services include comprehensive window frame replacement, utilizing durable materials like vinyl window frames to ensure longevity and performance. Whether you need window sash replacement or window trim installation, our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all aspects of window maintenance services, including upkeep around Bow Windows Lafayette. Window glass installation is essential for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Our Lafayette window glass installation services address issues such as cracks, chips, and fogging, restoring your windows to their original condition. We also offer window condensation solutions and window leak installation to prevent further damage and ensure optimal performance, especially on larger features like bow windows Lafayette. For those interested in window hardware upgrades, our Lafayette window hardware upgrade services provide a range of options to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. From window seal replacement to window caulking services, we ensure that your windows are properly sealed and protected against the elements, including installations like bow windows Lafayette. Window style consultation is available for homeowners looking to update the look of their windows. Our Lafayette window style consultation services help you choose the perfect design and materials to complement your home's architecture. With options like window glazing services and window UV protection, we offer solutions that enhance both style and performance for features such as bow windows Lafayette. Window replacement cost is a consideration for many homeowners, and our Lafayette window replacement cost services provide transparent pricing and detailed estimates. We offer a comprehensive window installation warranty, ensuring peace of mind and long-term satisfaction with your investment, including the installation of bow windows Lafayette. For those experiencing issues with window condensation, our Lafayette window condensation solutions provide effective remedies to prevent moisture buildup and improve indoor air quality. Our window weatherproofing services, including window caulking services and window seal replacement, ensure that your windows remain airtight and energy efficient, even large installations like bow windows Lafayette. Window noise reduction is a key benefit of our double-pane windows, providing a quieter and more comfortable living environment. Our Lafayette window noise reduction services utilize advanced materials and techniques to minimize external noise, enhancing the tranquility of your home and boosting the comfort of bow windows Lafayette. Lafayette residential window services encompass a wide range of offerings, from window screen installation to window maintenance services. Our team is dedicated to providing comprehensive solutions that meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the Lafayette area. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we are your trusted partner for all your window needs, including bow windows Lafayette.